Hello everyone, my name is Alfan Asyifa and my partner is
Maulida.
We are from Jakarta State University, majoring in Chemistry Class B 2021. We are from Group 5. Our subject is English for Chemistry and our lecturer is Mrs. Irma Ratna Kartika. In this video, we want to experiment how water can move without actually pouring it. This experiment is called traveling water. Let's get started. So, for this experiment, you will need 2 paper cups, a plate. The purpose of the plate in this experiment is to protect the table from water spill. We'll also need a thread. You can cut the thread for the server length, and finally, you need colored water. In this experiment, I'm using green food coloring water or as a dye for water. So shall we get started? I will first begin by pouring colored water into a cup. You only need to fill half the cups. Do not pour too much because the experiment will not work. So I have 1 cup that's filled with half of colored water and our other cup is empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer water from the 1 cup to another cup without actually pouring the water. So I'm going to use a thread first. I'm going to dip a thread into colored water. Dip it well. The wall length should get submerged, and after the taking out, don't squeeze out the water because we need it to be wet. Let's move to next steps. We are going to place one end of this thread inside the cup that has water and the other end inside the cup that's empty. Now, press the cup at this angle and slant slowly and observe what happens. The result is the water follow the path of the thread and get filled in the other cups, but you need to do it slowly to prevent it from spilling. So if you look at the other cups, you can see our colored water getting filled. So how does it happen? In science, we have a principle called cohesion. cohesion is the force that attract two molecules of the same kind. In this case, it's the water molecules. Now, water molecules tend to stick to each other, and since our thread is already immersed in the water, there are water molecules on the thread already. So when it's come in contact with the glass that has the water, this molecule tend to stick to the water molecules that are on the thread and get transferred into the next cups. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video, guys. Bye!